In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a stand-in please donate in Roblox. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go to roblox.com and go to your home screen. Now from here, just simply click here on create and you will be redirected to the Roblox Creator Hub. Now from here, just simply select creations in the left-hand side and you will see all of your created world. So just select your creation like so. And from here in the monetization section, just simply click on passes. So as you can see right now, I have the please donate passes or game pass for Roblox. What you want to do is to simply click on create a pass. Now from here, just want to put in the name, stand in, please donate. So you can either add a description here and also change the passes image. So now just simply click on create pass. Now, as you can see, this is off sale. So to make this a game pass, please donate. Just click here on the image and simply select sales. Make sure that this item is for sale and just enter a price you want. Now click on save changes and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.